In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Sendwave to Kenya. Before we begin, make sure the Sendwave app is installed and that you have an active account with a payment method ready. Having a stable internet connection helps ensure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening your Sendwave app. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see options to send money and manage recipients. This is your starting point for the transfer. Next, go to your recipient list. If you're sending to someone new, add a recipient. If they're already saved, you can select them. Be sure to set the recipient's country to Kenya. This is important because it ensures the correct currency, available delivery options, and transfer rules are applied. Now, select the payment method for how the recipient will receive the funds in Kenya. Depending on what Sendwave supports in your region, you may see options like mobile money or bank deposit. Choose the option your recipient prefers and uses regularly. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their account. Accuracy matters here to prevent delays. Then enter their mobile number, including the correct country code if requested. Retype the mobile number to confirm there are no typos. A single digit off can send money to the wrong person, so take a moment to double check. When everything looks good, tap Save to store these details. Continue to the sending screen. Here, you'll choose how you want to fund the transfer, such as a debit card or another available option in your app. Review any fees, the current exchange rate to Kenyan shillings, and the estimated arrival time so you know exactly what your recipient will get. Enter the amount you want to send. As you type, the app will usually show the converted amount your recipient will receive. Make sure the figure meets their needs and fits your budget, then continue. Before finalizing, review all details: recipient name, mobile number, delivery method, funding source, amount, fees, and rate. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm transfer. You may be asked to authenticate the payment for security. That's it. Your transfer is on the way. Keep an eye out for the in-app confirmation and any receipt sent to you. If you need to make changes in the future, update the saved recipient rather than creating a duplicate, and always verify recipient details with them directly to avoid errors.